Hello my fellow techies. Welcome back to the Learning Network 2020. Kimberly Taylor here, your friendly neighborhood techie. So, if you're like me and you like to experiment all the time with your devices and just find new ways of doing things, it's the teacher in me, what can I say? If you're like me and you happen to have a Samsung Galaxy A03, which is a pretty straightforward and standard smartphone, and so you try to do a screencast to your Roku, and then you find out this phone does not have Smart View and it doesn't support Smart View, which is the application used to do your screencasting. Oh, if you got annoyed like I did, yes, I got annoyed. I don't get annoyed too often, but this time I did. Don't worry though, I'm an avid researcher and I found a video on YouTube that would show me how to perform this particular task. I am going to put his link in my video as well because he really helped me out, just to be fair and share the knowledge and share the love on our YouTube teaching channels. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to perform that particular task. It's going to be really straightforward and really easy. Stay tuned. Don't forget, click that like and subscribe button as well. Go ahead and do it. Alright, I'll be back soon. So the first step is to actually bring up YouTube on your Roku device. Alright, so now YouTube is up and active on my Roku. So now let's go over to the A03 Samsung Galaxy to activate YouTube on that device as well. Alright, so the first thing you want to do on your smartphone is make sure that the wireless option is activated. Go there and then bring up YouTube right there, and here it is. So now if you notice right towards the middle of the screen, you have a little square box with some squiggly lines going through like a wireless connection. You want to tap on that and then you'll see a menu and it'll ask you 32-inch ONN Roku TV. That is my actual Roku device. So it's telling you to select a device. And there it is. You have here both the smartphone and the Roku playing off of the smartphone. As you can see right here where it says playing on